smells extremely woody, cedary, and I do like that in a fragrance. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. Y'all already know. How did they get a boyfriend's t-shirt in this beautiful, luxurious bottle? Is that possible? Oh, yes, that is good. That is good. Very good. Everyone's doing good. The Haitian vetiver. That was good, right? I don't know. Just because of its pedigree, I feel like maybe I should vote for that one. Yes. Yes. This is it. I've got something for the guys and I've got something for the girls. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I have a huge haul courtesy of the Fragrance Foundation. So if you want to see what's inside this box, make sure you keep watching. The Fragrance Foundation is having their annual award ceremony coming up June 12th. I've already got my outfit picked out. I'm super excited. One of the awards that will be given out is the Consumer's Choice Award, where you, the consumer, the consumer gets to pick which fragrance is the best in show for the year. So here they are. Let's unbox. Let's see what's inside, and yeah. Let's get to it. I will make sure to leave a link in the description so that you can vote. It's an easy way to just be a part of the fragrance community, and every vote matters. So if you love something on this list, make sure you vote. Okay. Gotta love the packaging. All right. I don't know where to begin. Let's begin. Okay, so I did open one of the fragrances. I'm just gonna keep it all the way real because I was very, very curious to see what it smelled like. This one is Trésor Eau de Parfum, and I opened it, so I'll just pull it out because I wanted to see what it smelled like. Same beautiful packaging as the original, right? How gorgeous. Same beautiful packaging. Smells slightly different. Spicy, oriental. I don't know. If you're a fan of Trésor, you will love the way this one smells. I mean, the first time I smelled Trésor, I fell in love with it. Beautiful fragrance. Has notes of peach, rose, patchouli, freesia. Oh my God. I mean, it's just, I don't know. This one is near and dear to my heart, so I don't know if I can, I don't know. Let's see what else we have so I can determine if I'll vote for this one or not. Next up, we have All the Beach. Now, this one is by Bath & Body Works. So I'm gonna spray it because this is my first time smelling it. So let's see what we have here. I like it already. I will be taking it with me to the beach. Says here it has notes of saltwater breeze, coconut, and the bright blue sea. Wow, that's mad pretty. You know, I kind of really like these because these are like something that you could just put in your bag, in your gym bag, spray on yourself, and then suddenly you smell delicious and refreshed. Like that one a lot. Let's keep going. Let's do this one. This is Cucumber Melon by Bath & Body Works. Now, we know what cucumber melon smells like, right? Cucumbers and melon, hello. But let's see what it smells like on paper. It says here that it features cucumber, lily of the valley, jasmine, melon, of course. Base note is musk. I like cucumber melon. It will never get old to me. Like it, and we'll just put that to the side to see what the dry down will be. Something for the men. This is a true unboxing. It is Boss. What is this one called? Boss Bottled Tonic. Let's open it up. I just painted my nails, which might have not been such a good idea. It's okay. It's okay. Your girl is learning. Here is the bottle. And let's see what it smells like. This is my first time smelling it, so let's see. Okay, okay, Boss Bottle Tonic. Looking at the back of the bottle, it says that this has vibrant citrus fruit, apple, tonic ginger, cinnamon, sensual woody notes. Smells pretty good. I am not gonna lie, I am not mad at it. Let's move on to the next. Something else for men? Curve. Good old fashioned Curve. Can't go wrong with Curve now, can ya? Let's see what it looks like. Check that out. Comes in a tin can. Hello. Hello. Are we wearing Curve today or no? It's been a while since I've smelled Curve, so let's just spray it on a test strip and see what we get. Oldie but goodie, right? People love Curve. Wow, let's see what's inside. It says here that the notes are pineapple, lemon, juniper berries, lavender, neroli, sage, bergamot, cedar, vetiver, musk. I can go on and on and on and on. It smells extremely woody, cedary, and I do like that in a fragrance. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. Y'all already know. Your girl loves wood. Up next, we have Victoria's Secret Love Eau de Parfum. Very nice. It has fresh juniper, apricot blush, and a boyfriend's tea. How did they get a boyfriend's t-shirt in this beautiful, luxurious bottle? Is that possible? Are y'all kidding me, Victoria's Secrets? Let's try it out. Again, this is the first time I'm smelling this, so I want to smell like my boyfriend's tea. Now, I don't think my boyfriend's tea smells like that, but fresh t-shirt accord. All right, so it's clean, it's light, fresh. Something that you would normally get from a Victoria's Secret, the house of Victoria's Secrets. Certainly not bad, but I think I would want to try this one on the skin first to see exactly how much I really like it. And it helps that I sprayed it here to catch the dry down, you know what I mean? Up next, another new first impressions for me is Katy Perry's Indi. Check it out. I love the bottle because you know I love black and white. You know, that's my favorite, right? Black, white. Let's open her up. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, I love the bottle. Bottle's great, you know. Bottle's very cute. I could see you just grabbing and going with it, you know, just grab it out your pocketbook and go. Let's check out the notes. It says here that it has notes of white tea, plum, bergamot, notes of amber, tonka bean, musk, white musk, black musk, Egyptian musk, island musk. Okay, girl, you want me to smell musky? I could tell. So let's see what this is all about. I'm super excited to try it now. Wasn't excited at first, but now I'm super excited. See how that goes? See how that goes? It's certainly musky. Yes, Katy. Yes, yes. You are serving me odors of musk, and I think I like it. Let's open up something for the men. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more left. Let's do something for the guys. Prada, Carbon. Let's see what we've got. Have you tried this one? Please let me know your thoughts if you've tried this one, guys, because I know y'all get super crazy when it comes to your colognes. Here we go. So, you know, just from a packaging standpoint, I love that when you open this up and it comes up, the branding kind of continues. Can you see that? I like that. I think that's very cool. So let's try it. Let's see what we're smelling like. Before I get too carried away, initial impression, like it a lot, has me, you know, has me taking a second look at it, maybe a second spray. Love the sprayer. Damn, that's good. I like that. I like it a lot. I can't wait to wear this and try this and see how it wears on the skin before I can fully recommend it. Prada's doing their thing. I love their scents. I love this. I love Lancôme. Oh, yes, that is good. That is good. Very good. Everyone's doing good. Notes of lavender, bergamot, pepper, soil tincture, watery notes, metallic notes. I think that's what I was smelling in there, like a wateriness, but then it had like this dirtiness that I'm like, fragrances like that have a little bit of dirt and naughtiness always spark my appeal. It also says it has coal in there. Coal, patchouli, and ambroxan. And ambroxan is that note, that heavily synthetic note that we all love in Dior Sauvage. I like it here too. It's not overplayed. It's not overdone. I'm feeling this one a lot. I'm gonna have to give it up to that one right now. It's got my attention. Up next, we have something from the house of Lancôme, La Vie Belle, Le Clot, Le de Parfum. That was a mouthful. Let's open her up because I've never smelled this one before, ever. Oh, the bottle is beautiful. Let's take a look so you can see the bottle. How cute. As we turn it around. And let's smell it and let's see what's inside. First, let's see what's inside because I find it more interesting for me to read the notes first and then try to identify notes after. Perfumer for this fragrance is Dominique Ropion, which I'm a big fan of his work, so now I'm even more excited to smell it. It has notes of bergamot, mandarin orange, freesia, middle notes of orange blossom, white flowers, jasmine, vanilla, patchouli, sandalwood. Ready, baby? Here we go. It's very nice. It's sweet. It's flowery. You know, this is like your classic vanilla patchouli sort of scent that so many fragrance houses have been testing out, doing that vanilla chuli. I should trademark that, vanilla chuli. That might, you know what? No one used that. That's going to be part of my own line. We have Coach for Men. Let's open him up because, again, something new for me that I've never smelled. It says here that Coach for Men has green nashi pear, bergamot, cardamom, coriander, geranium, Haitian vetiver. That was good, right? Suede and ambergris. So let's see how this smells. Believe it or not, this smells really good too. Damn. This is gonna be a hard time for me to choose, I'm not gonna lie. Up next, we have Amazing Grace by Philosophy. Now, I have tried this one before. I've owned Amazing Grace by Philosophy. I love their fragrances. Probably my favorite of the fragrances from this house. I'll show you what it looks like. The bottle on the outside. My favorite from this house would probably be two favorites. Pure Grace by Philosophy. I can't open this. Pure Grace by Philosophy and Falling in Love by Philosophy in the blue bottle. Girl, that is a fragrance that people will remember. Falling in Love. Try that one out for sure. Okay, so here is teeny tiny bottle. Teeny tiny, teeny weeny, teeny weeny weeny. Let's spray her. Love this one as well though. Quick story, the first time I smelled this, I was on set. I was shooting for Billions, and someone was wearing this and I stopped them across the room. I was like, girl, what are you wearing? You smell phenomenal. It was this. So Amazing Grace, beautiful scent. I don't know, just because of its pedigree, I feel like maybe I should vote for that one. Last and certainly not least, this bad boy right here, which is probably my favorite. I'm gonna keep it real. This is probably my favorite one. I saved the best for last, as I always try to do. It is Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. I love this scent. I've actually been wearing it for the past couple of days. It made my top 10 fall list, I believe. Maybe even winter too for women. It's just a beautiful, sexy coffee scent. I love coffee. Ugh, what? Look at her. Look at her. How beautiful is she? For the past couple of days, I've been wearing it and I have the smaller bottle, which is right here. And this is the Granddaddy. I think this is a better looking bottle though, because it's bigger. It has the Carolina detail on the inside here, if you can see that. Let's see how it sprays. And I think I'll spray this on me because this is my scent of the day from earlier, so. Yes, yes, this is it. Girl, this is the fragrance that you wear when you know you want to get close to your man, when you want compliments. This just smells so freaking good. Let me give you a quick note breakdown so you already know what time it is. Tuberose, tonka bean, white jasmine, cocoa, coffee. I just love this fragrance. I love it so much. I think this is probably going to be the one that I vote for. Just saying. If you plan on voting, which I really hope you do, don't forget I will leave a link in the description so we can know what your choice is, or you could just tell me down in the comments below. But don't forget to vote too, okay? Also, I just want to let you know your girl is working out her posting schedule. I will probably be posting on Friday, top 10 for women for summer, and top 10 for men for summer on Sunday. So definitely come on back to the channel. I will be here greeting you with warm blessings and love and fragrance. Anyway, if you enjoyed this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends who love fragrance. Remember to vote, and I'll catch you in the next one.